Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to fix the Instagram pages unavailable right now on the iPhone. First of all, open the Instagram app. As you can see, it says pages unavailable right now. So click to open settings and tap on Wi-Fi to make sure you're connected to a strong internet. Then click on General. Go into Background App Refresh from General. Make sure to choose the Wi-Fi and mobile data in Background App Refresh. Now click on iPhone Storage in General. Then tap on the Instagram app and select Offload App from Instagram. Once you offload the app, tap to reinstall app. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.